Hi, this is AK and welcome to Mr. Being Smart. Today we are going to see how to change a clutch cable of a bike. In this video we are using a Pulsar 150cc bike. Mostly the process will be the same for all the bikes. Let's see how to change the clutch cable. Generally the clutch cable gets cut near the clutch lever. Using a cutting plier or a wrench, loosen this part of the clutch lever. I got this genuine clutch cable from a local spare parts store. The clutch cable goes from top to all the way till bottom near the engine. It goes through this holder and it has got like a few attachments. So first you need to remove these nuts. Now unscrew these bolts. Now remove the steel support. Now pull the cable out of the support and remove it. Now insert the cable from top and bring it down and pull the cable through the support. After pulling the cable down, unscrew these nuts and you need to replace the steel support which we have taken off earlier. Now tighten these nuts and fix the steel support as it was earlier using the bolts. See that all the bolts and nuts are perfectly tightened. Now let's go to the top to the clutch lever and connect the cable there first and then we'll go back. We need to connect this part of the clutch cable to the clutch lever which is right under the clutch lever. So there is leftover of the previous cable, just remove it with a screwdriver. This is the part which I have shown you earlier. Pull the clutch cable and place it under the clutch lever like this. Now pull the clutch wire. It has to come through the groove above. So just pull it over and now push it into the groove. Now get the cable through the grooves as shown. There are two grooves and tighten the screw. Pull the dust protector and place it on the clutch lever. Now let's go down and fix the final part of this. Now the clutch cable has to go into the particular groove there, but it looks like the cable is little short, so we need to make some adjustments here. First remove the nut from this part and let's take it off. Now see where I am connecting the clutch cables, the other end. It has to go right into that groove like that, and then put this part back, and the spring under, the tension spring has to be in the correct position, and replace the bolts and tighten it, and we are ready to go. All the attachments and connections are done. Let's go and check the tension in the clutch cable. This looks little loose and soft. It depends upon person to person. Some may like it hard, some may like it soft. You can make adjustments according to your preference by loosening this bolt and adjust the cable accordingly and tighten the screws back. All the adjustments are done. Let's go and check the tension in the clutch lever. This looks perfect for me. According to your preference, you can change and make the adjustments. If you feel that this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe, Mr. Being Smart. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.